guys, I'm Allison. I'm the Pampered Wife. I'm a little late getting to the Petit Vour review for March, but you know what? Here I am. I could tell you why it's taken me so long, but you don't care. The good thing is I'm here. I'm finally doing it. My dog is right here and he is nudging me with his nose for the pets and the scratches. We are going to jump in because I am so late and I got my scissors right here, got my box right here. I can do this. If you're new to Petit Vour, it is a store, an online store, but also a subscription box, cruelty-free, vegan, clean beauty, and the one I do is $18 a month. I mean, I'm never getting it open, so I might as well keep talking. It's $18 a month, and I get $50 worth of product or more every month. And they also have another subscription box that is, I forgot how much money a month, $25 a month, I think, and you get over $100 worth of items. I just find that I already have enough product in my life that I don't need all of that, but it's such a good deal that I can't help myself from continuing to buy it, and I always discover new things. Some of them ended up being my favorite. I am so close on this thing. Oh, here we go. All right, this is what it looks like. This month's design, March, and we are here in the middle of April. Sorry guys. Yeah, this is the March design. You know, you can use these if you want, even like cut out some paper, like cardstock paper or thicker paper, and cover this and write a note on it or something and send it to someone or leave it for someone. They always have artists, different artists do the drawings on these, and I just think that's really nice. So whatever we get, if it can fit on my face, we will. We have the, let's see, cucumber and witch hazel. You know, did I even tell you? I'm so excited to get into this and so rushed. Let's calm down a minute. So this card comes every month with the box, and what it is a different artist designs the back side, so the pattern's always different, the print's always different, but the other side shows a little description of every product you get and the dollar value, so you can see what you're getting, get a little explanation, and know how much the box is actually worth, which we will go over at the end. And then this is what the box looks like. It comes with the little shredded paper as packaging supply. The box itself is recyclable. Make sure you tear off the tape that they use to, seal the box so that it can actually be recycled, but everything in it can be recycled once you take the product out. So the first thing that I see are these little packets. This is by Box Naturals, which is a brand I've never heard of, made with all natural ingredients and scented with organic oils. This on-the-go wipe cleanse and freshens up gently and naturally. So we got 3 sheets. I don't know if these are like for the body. Tone and rejuvenate, refresh yourself, organic cucumber extract, witch hazel, and not much else. Excuse me. It's springtime here, and you all know, if you've ever seen me, I've got allergies, so I don't have a cold. I think I finally figured out the lighting for filming here. Let me know in the comments what you think about the lighting situation. I know I do have a window over here, but I think that's okay. And there's windows over there. So these say they're biodegradable, because that was going to be my objection, is I don't like cleansing towels, facial wipes, anything like that, because they're just more waste, but these are biodegradable. And that makes me happy. I will try these. I'm sure they're fine for the face, but I don't know if they're also for the body or what. I don't know that that matters. I love cucumber. So now that we'll be traveling again, these could come in really handy. So, I don't know, let's see, the value on these were $3. I don't know if that's $3 each or each is $1. I'll have to look online and let you know. By the way, everything, including the box, will be linked in the description box down below, as well as what I'm wearing, except for the earrings, because, well, I don't usually list my clothes anyway, but my son made these years ago now at like a camp or something, so I love them. All right, let's see what's next. We have a Juice Beauty Bamboo Pure Refining Mask. Boy, I feel like every box contains some kind of exfoliating something or other, so let's see what this says. It's $9, so it must, be a sample size or trial size, travel size. I never know what to call these things. aspen bark smooths and hydrates. Bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay protect and detox skin, while exfoliants leave skin with a softer, even complexion. I think I'm gonna have to pass this one on. You know, I think I'm gonna start like a giveaway box or something because I'm getting more of these products. I'm just not gonna use this, so I can't tell you what it smells like, but it is black like the charcoal. It would be detoxifying with the clay, you know, good for acne or pimples or blemish prone skin. The kaolin clay would really help draw out the impurities and oils from the skin. That's interesting about the aspen bark soothing your skin. I don't know about that. And hydrating. I'm just not familiar with aspen bark as a skincare product, but also it has exfoliant. So if I, you know, had maybe oilier skin or lived in a more humid climate or anything other than what I have, which is normal to dry skin and more recently sensitized skin, I would give it a try, but I'm not going to give this one a try. That happens with some boxes. I may not love every product, but like I said, I think I'm going to start a giveaway box, and this will go in that for subscribers. I mean, I don't know if I'll do a contest, or once I feel like I have enough stuff, I guess I'll get to it. It has to be pretty soon though, because natural stuff, clean beauty stuff, tends to go bad sooner than the conventional items. And that's one of the things we love about them, is that they're, you know, natural like that. Alrighty, Johny Concert. I gotta tell you, I'm excited about this one. Okay, Johny Concert Maudit Liquid Lipstick. This one is worth $25. So this is obviously a full size. Each box you get a full size product, and then others are sample sizes or travel sizes. Infused with natural and organic fruit and evening primrose oils that keep lips soft and subtle for a non-drying velvet matte finish, outlasting even the most active lifestyles. So there's clearly some lip staining going on. I have heard rave reviews about this liquid lipstick. Let's open her up. I got the shade Mademoiselle. How cute. I hope you can see that. Get it? Mademoiselle instead of Mademoiselle. They made it 2 words. Well, I'm ripping it right open because that's how packaging goes for me. I typically have a hard time with it. But, you know, nice packaging. I think the glass is frosted. Yes. I think it's glass and it's frosted. Johny Concert is carried, is it at Credo? Obviously at Petit Vour as well. So we're just gonna put this on. First I'm gonna wipe off the matte lip that I already have on. This is a 100% pure, like cream matte lipstick. I find those to be really comfortable. I always put a moisturizer on underneath anyway, moisturizer lip product. You can see I did have some on. And I've got a handy dandy mirror here just in case I was gonna get some makeup products. I can get it open, I really can. So let's see here. This is what the applicator looks like. Pretty standard. Smells like a lip gloss. No real scent that stands out to me. Well, it's a deep one. Color, it's a deep shade. Holy cow. I would say it's like a blood red. I think reds must be in this spring because every sample I've gotten has been a red. And even that, don't tell me, Venus Williams, her box with the 11 lip sample, the SPF 15 lip sample was also a red. I think reds are just really in. I know mattes are in. Well, it's already dried down. I know mattes are in because of the whole mask thing. Let's see if I can get a better line. It's all, you know, I missed my lip some. So let's, or the lines of it, the edges of it. I've definitely done some overlining. Well, this is not my best job ever. All right, I was able to correct that, even though this does dry down quickly. Oh, you know, I don't see any patchiness. And it really doesn't feel like a matte lipstick. So let's see how it feels in a few minutes. But the reviews that I have read and heard are that it is an incredibly comfortable non-drying matte lipstick. Now that may be as far as a matte, oh my gosh, you guys, I can't talk. As far as a matte lipstick goes, which we all know are incredibly drying, or it may just be in general it's not drying. So I don't know, we'll have to see. I really like this shade. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. I hate when people do that when they do videos, but I'm just looking to see the whole face because I had that little mirror. So I'm very excited about this product. The box was worth it for me already. I paid $18. This is worth $25 and it's something I wanted. I don't know that I would have gotten this shade, but that's okay because I think this is really pretty. To the last product, ooh, it comes in a nice like suede feeling bag. This is by Plenitude, Mandarin Orange Nourishing Cleanser full of bioactive, antioxidant-rich botanicals like acai, cranberry, raspberry, and citrus that will soothe and nourish your skin. Well, this is nice, and you know I love these little baggies, especially for travel or storing jewelry. Whoop, it snagged a little on the sticker. That's okay. You know, you can see here where it snagged a little, but that's just on the inside and I can cut that out. It's also nice to do gifts, but when the name is on the outside, that can be a little weird. All right, this is actually a nice size, and of course, I think because of the altitude here, looks like it oozed out a little there at the top, or a lot. Oh, it does smell nice. It looks like the top wasn't really on. I don't know if you can see it wobbling back and forth there. Huh. Hope this doesn't compromise the integrity of the product. You know, some of them are kind of ruined once they're exposed to air, but I don't think so. I think, yep, just the altitude probably really got to it. Oh, but it's this, looks almost like carrot, like the shade of a carrot cake batter, really. So I guess it's a cream cleanser, and I will definitely be giving this a try. It sounds like something I would really enjoy. I love the scent. It's very light, which I so appreciate. And that is everything in this month's box. So for me, it was a win. There's only one product I don't really care for, and that is the exfoliating, that's my husband. It's the exfoliating mask, or yes, mask. But that, you know, that was $9 of the box. So the rest of it I really am excited about. Let's add it up. We have the Maudit lipstick for $25, plus the Mandarin Orange Nourishing Cleanser, which I haven't tried anything from Plenitude. Let me know if you have. So there are 2 new brands to me in this box. Sorry, I know I'm all over the place. 2 new brands to me in this box. This one, the Plenitude, and it's $15. Did I already say that? And then I'd never heard of Box Naturals. I don't know what I'm doing here. And that was $3. Again, I guess it's $1 per towel because they usually show the whole price. So let me know if you've heard of Box Naturals. And then the Juice Beauty is $9. So the total is $52. The total value of this box that I paid $18 for is $52. Everything in it is new to me. 2 of the brands are new. And I'm very excited about one of the products and looking forward to trying another. Usually I do my empties from my Petit Vour boxes now, but I forgot to save my empties for this review. So instead I will link my March empties down below, where I know I have at least one item from a Petit Vour box in it. So I will try to timestamp that for you. I got my vaccine yesterday, not yesterday, the day before yesterday. I got the Johnson & Johnson. I was quite sick, not horrible, especially since I knew what it was and was expecting it, but I was quite ill for about 24 to 36 hours, and now I'm totally fine. Get your vaccine. I'm very excited that I got mine. In 2 weeks, I will be, you know, effectively vaccinated. My husband gets his second one. He's doing the Pfizer on Wednesday. Things are good. Life is starting to come back. It's spring. And just to let you know, this matte lipstick feels more like a traditional lipstick to me. It's not moisturizing, but I would have to say it's not uncomfortable. It's not nearly as drying as any matte lipstick I've ever tried. I still want to go put some moisturizer on top of it, which would then of course make it a little shiny, and that defeats the purpose of the matte, but I think it's really pretty. I think it's really pretty. It's dried down, it's comfortable. I think I already had some on my fingers, so showing you that wasn't really helpful. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video at any point, please give it a thumbs up. My dog is nudging me again, and I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you find some time to pamper yourself today. Bye.